Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, very quick video, and it's more of a PSA. Those of you guys that have GS facelifts, not just the GSF, but specifically the GSF, if you have not had your dash replaced under the ZLZ program, customer service program, I will leave a link in the description on the details of that. But basically, it covers if your dash is splitting, if it's sticky, with my instance and some other people, it replaces the front two carbon fiber pieces that are commonly delaminating. So the reason that this is so important is that it only covers 10 years or 125,000 miles from the in-service date of the car. So the very early ones that went on sale for this car were July and August of 2015, with the bulk of them going on sale in September, October, November of 2015. So that means here we are in June of 2025, almost 10 years, you are running out of time. And those of you where this is covered under the older GSs, the pre-facelift, some of you have had luck with Lexus covering it just barely out of warranty, but if you get a couple years out, it's not going to be covered. So anyway, just like I said, a quick video, wanted to cover that. If you have not, get a hold of your Lexus dealer. If your dash looks like it's got a small crack in it, or if it's getting sticky, or if it's deforming, it will be covered. The dash itself is only like 60 bucks, but it's like 6 to 8 hours worth of labor at the dealer in order for them to replace it. They have to pull the whole dash and everything attached to it as well. So pretty involved process to replace it. If you want to get it covered under Lexus's dime instead of yours, now's the time. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.